Poor communication is a common cause of delay or failure in projects. We all know that. But there are 4 more factors that can contribute to project success or failure. You can use project templates to avoid this embarrassment. PM2.biz offers 300+ professional high-quality project management templates and documents in Excel that can save time and increase efficiency. So don't miss out on the best offer. Please hit like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on our future updates. Let's proceed to our topic without wasting a second. When you're under pressure to get busy with your project, the importance of thinking and planning can go out of the window. But projects that are not documented and monitored are at risk. Project management templates take the pressure off collating all of the necessary information and sign-off you may need, and increase the likelihood of success. Here's how and why. 1. Structure. I bet that your project is not the only thing that you're doing right now. So there's too much to do, isn't there? And when you have too much to do, your brain, workspace and your life can become cluttered, and that leads to stagnation. There are so many urgent things to do that can't be avoided, and so many important things to do that you can't find the time for. So you need to get clear right from the beginning. And you need to stay clear throughout the project. Project management templates will give you that clarity and structure, as long as they are designed with the end result in mind, and the people who will use them. Keep it simple, and people will use them. 2. Assurance and confidence. Completed project management templates will present a clear picture and will therefore enable better decision-making. The completed templates give confidence to both the person who completes them and the people who need to approve them. You are more likely to get approvals if all of your work is set out in a standardized way. People and project boards are busy, and the simpler you can keep the information that you present to them, the better. Project management templates are the answer. 3. Clarity and speed. When you're all busy, the pressure can mount. Project management templates enable calmness to prevail, and enable you to scope and deliver your project in a focused and considered way. The templates will prevent distraction and going off track, a common problem in many projects. Using project management templates means that you can stop at any point, and when you return, know exactly where to pick up. In the long run, putting the effort into completing a good template will save you and your team hours and possibly weeks of time. 4. Communication. Poor communication is a common cause of delay or failure in projects. We might think we communicate well, but how often do you hear people say that no one ever tells them anything? Effective communication is key to success. If you get it wrong, you may have a failed project on your hands. But if you get the communication right, everyone knows exactly where they are, what they need to do, and what to expect. Your project management templates will structure your communication and engagement. It also ensures continuity. If people leave the project midway, your completed templates can bring new people up to speed and the project won't stall. Appropriate project management templates can be the backbone of successful project management. When you have a simple set of templates, you can use them for each and every project you deliver. Keep them simple and appropriate to the needs of the project and the people who will use them. Project management templates may save both your project and your sanity. Rather than managing a project that may be like herding cats, you should be able to minimize overwhelm and maximize results. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Download 9,000+ project management and business templates, plans, tools, forms and guides at projecttemplates.biz. Please comment if you have any questions about this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Your feedback is very important. Stay tuned and keep in touch. See you in the next video.